Hey, this is Carl, and this is the day 1 of teaching calculus for 30 days every day. Have you wondered about those weird-looking graphs and what those actually means? Well, here it is. It's called a function. A function is a machine that takes exactly one x output and gives out exactly one y output. For example, we have the function here of absolute value of 3x plus 1. If we plug in to this function the x value negative 2, we will get the y value of positive 5. If we plug in negative 1 as our x value, we will get the y value of 2. If we will try to plug in 0 as our x value, we will get 1 as our y value. And if 1, we will get the y value of 4. So, let's try to graph this function using this table. For the x value, we have negative 2. And for the y value, we have positive 5. Again, for the x value, we have negative 2. And for the y value, we have positive 5. Then, let's try to connect them together. And here is our first dot. For negative 1, we have the output of positive 2. For the negative 1, we have the output of positive 2. Here is our second dot. For 0, we have the y value of positive 1. So 0, 1. And then for the x value of positive 1, we have the y value of positive 4. 1, 4. Then let's try to connect these dots together. Like this and like this. Then it's an arrow to indicate that it's going for infinitely many times. And that's all for today's video. And for tomorrow, we'll try to get the domain and range of this function. Thank you for watching.